So welcome back to my kitchen. Thanks so much for stopping by for today's video. You already know it's going to be something good. So grab a beverage and a snack and let's get to cooking. I almost forgot. I have a special guest here in the Price's Pearl kitchen. You've seen her before. She's almost, no, she's not quite as famous as I am, but she's here. Come on, guest. Come on. So in the Price's Pearl Live kitchen today, we have, you know her, it's Nevaeh. Well, let's get to cooking. So first things first, we're grabbing all of our tools and our gadgets, collecting all of our ingredients for today's recipes. That's right, I'm showing you 2 quick pear infused recipes. And as always, my ingredients list as well as the directions will be included in the description box below for your convenience. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back and one big hug from me to you. You know I appreciate your continued support week after week. I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new here, well, come on and join my growing YouTube family. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. Our pears have been diced. We've added our honey, ground ginger, and cinnamon, a pinch of salt. And on medium-high heat, we're going to cook it for about 10 minutes. Now, this has a strong ginger taste, so you can always reduce the ginger if you're not a fan of ginger. But we love ginger here on the Johnson Ranch. So now I'm instructing Nevaeh on how to make French toast. Yeah, you know I had to step in and show her, girl, this is how you whisk it. This is how you whisk it. So now that our pears have been cooking for 10 minutes, it's time to let them cool and move to step number 2 of this French toast process. So I have 2 cups of plain yogurt, a cup and a half of my granola of choice, and I'm mixing that well. So here comes the fun part, assembling my parfait. So those ginger infused pears, I'm putting a layer to the bottom. Now you can do your parfait just the way you like it. You can have it mixed throughout, layers and layers of all this goodness. But for today, I'm putting a layer to the bottom, a layer at the top, and then I want to top it all off with more granolas. Yum! So Nevaeh's finished with the French toast. All that's left to do is to top it with that second batch of gingered pear and a light dusting of powdered sugar. And here you have it, 2 quick pear-infused recipes that can be served for breakfast, lunch, brunch, or even dinner. If you enjoyed today's recipe, you know what to do. Give Nevaeh and I a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. So on your way out, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.